Hello everyone, let's glue book. I haven't glue booked in a long time, and you can see I've stuffed my glue book with things I want to remember to glue in. I also use this. I cut them out of magazines, little sentiments, and I also use magazine cutouts, and oftentimes I keep excuse me, a bag of scraps that I use, that I find on the floor or on the desk, and I clean them up and I put them in a bag to use. And this one is from November 2017 until now. You can see this one is full. This one is full. So I need to glue book. I really need to glue book. Don't worry, I'm not a hoarder. I keep 3 of these, and when 3 is full, that's it. Everything then goes into the trash. But I want to just start to glue instead of throwing them in trash, because it's some goodies you find on the floor. You know, you find some good stuff. So let's glue book, guys. Let's glue book. Let's see, where do I want to go? Where do I want to go? Ooh, we could go here. Yeah. I like this tea, but sometimes it gives me a headache after a while. Let's go here. And no rhyme, no reason, I just glue. Sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time it doesn't. It's just an image. It's really about the glue. I'm going to tell you the secret. And then the bonus is what comes out of it. It's just relaxing to sit there and smear this purple yumminess around. I just love it. Oh, there. You know what I want to do with him? I'm going to, excuse me, washi him in. What? You're supposed to glue. But I'm going to washi him in. Oh, I wish they would make washi tape a little easier to get into. This is ridiculous. Even with nails, I can't get into it. Just put that down there. This was some good. This was pumpkin Pop-Tarts. I look forward to that every year. Remember when grab bags were $2? Oh, I think I like that there. No returns. Do I want to tip that in? It's a glue book. I'm going to glue it down. Right? Look at that. That's why I like the glue book. Stress reliever. See what else going on. Oh, I tore this tag off. I think I'm gonna put that there, but I don't think it's gonna stick. Still not gonna stick, probably. See, this fell off my baby book. I'm going to put him right in here. He'll now be in here. Page. See if we can see. That's pretty cool. Oh, I just love this. I love this. I think I'm just gonna cut him out. I love that color. I said I was going to just keep that, didn't I? Put this back. Oh, I'll put it in here in my scraps. Love it. But why do I want to collage it? This is going to be a layout. I know it is. I like her. You know, I had to put my little jams on there. Okay. Ended up putting it on an empty page anyway. Wish I would have cut closer, but that's not what this is about. I don't all the time stay on one page. Sometimes it works out that way, and sometimes it does not. We have to find on the floor. That's too predictable. This came off of some socks. I like it. I like it. Even though that's what you expect to come out of there. How about if I hang it? Oh, I like it better. Like it better. I'm gonna have it like it's hanging. Oh, me and fabric tag. I picked up the wrong one. Ugh. Have a love-hate relationship with fabric tag. Ugh. Yuck. That's why it's gooey. But it does do the trick. But see, now I can't leave this page. Ew, look at that. Because it'll stick my pages together. Have to wait for it to dry. What else is in my bag of tricks? So you could tell that was from Christmas, but nah. Oh, what else do I have? What's on my desk that I could pick up and slap down? Okay, did you hear the phone? That means I have to go. Oh, all right, guys. Well, we did a little page. We started a little page in my glue book. Happy to at least I pulled it out for a little while. And here I am coughing. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.